if you want to set up your OPPO Reno 15 Pro to be able to pay with it, in this case, first of all, we're gonna open Settings. Now in Settings, go to Device Connect, and we need to find NFC. You need to know that NFC has to always be enabled whenever you're trying to make the payment with your phone. It is necessary to have it enabled when it is time to pay. Also, the NFC button can be found in Quick Settings or the Control Center, so you can turn it on or turn it off over here. So yeah, you can manage NFC from there as well. So once you know where NFC is, the next thing that you need to do is you need to set up your payment card on your phone. So for that reason, you have to use the Wallet app. I mean, this is just the best option to use. So get the Google Wallet app if you don't have it pre-installed yet. You can easily find it in the Play Store in case you don't have it. And we're gonna tap on View Wallet. If needed, grant permission to send notifications by the app. And then we can use this plus button in the bottom right corner, and you can choose payment card. You should be able to open the rear camera, so you can scan the details of your credit or debit card. And also you can use the enter details manually option at the bottom of the screen in case something goes wrong and you cannot scan the credit card or debit card number, and so on and so forth. Once you fill everything in, you want to press save and continue, and that should be pretty much it. Now, you need to keep in mind that in some cases, some banks might call you and ask you about some verification, and they will ask you if it is really you who's trying to set up the payment card on your phone, and so on and so forth. And in some cases, of course, you might just have the payment card added straight up and without any issues whatsoever. So that really depends on the bank itself. You can also add multiple payment cards. You don't have to stick with just one. You can add more than one, and then you can also choose which one should be the default payment card. Now, once you set up your card, you can now use your OPPO Reno 15 Pro to pay with it. As I said, remember to use NFC to have it enabled whenever you want to pay with your phone, and then you put your phone on the terminal just like you do with a payment card, and then the payment card will be used from your phone. And if you want to pay with your default card, or if you have just one card, then of course you don't have to really open the Google Wallet app. It's just gonna work immediately. On the other hand, if you have more than one card and you want to pay with another card other than the default one, then we have to go to the Wallet app, and then you can choose whichever card you want to pay with. Also, keep in mind that your phone has to be unlocked if you want to be able to pay with it. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.